Who are you voting for this election? Welcome back to Jamaica Biz. Today we will be giving you some voting procedures, Electoral Commission of Jamaica and how to vote in Jamaica's 2020 election. Be sure to find out where you are to vote before election day, that is, your specific polling station. Call or visit your EOJ constituency office, or call the ECJ toll-free helpline at 1-888-991-VOTE 8683. Present your voter's ID card and follow the instructions of the presiding officer. If you do not have your voter's ID card, you will still be allowed to vote once your name can be found on the voters list, and your identity can be confirmed. This, however, will take some additional time, so be sure to take your voter's ID card with you. If your polling station is using EVIBIS, that is the Electronic Voter Identification and Ballot Issuing System, you will be asked to place a specific finger on a fingerprint scanner. Once your identity has been verified, you will be issued a ballot. The EVIBIS is only used in certain constituencies, so it may or may not be used at your polling location. Once you have been issued a ballot by the presiding officer, go behind the voting booth and clearly mark an X for the candidate of your choice in the space provided. Please also be sure to use the pencil provided in the voting booth. Fold your ballot twice, as instructed by the presiding officer, to protect the secrecy of your vote, leaving the flap out. Do not show anyone who you have voted for. Give the folded ballot to the presiding officer so that he or she can detach the flap. Dip your right index finger, pointer finger, in the integrity ink and watch while your unopened ballot is put in the ballot box. Once you have witnessed your ballot paper being placed into the ballot box, your voting process is now complete, and you should leave the vicinity in a peaceful manner.